If you feel that you are struggling in life, struggling in your business, in your online business, right? You need to be thankful. First, be thankful. Don't be frustrated, because frustration, worry, stress will make it only more difficult, right? You need to understand all successful people, right? Even self-made millionaires, they all came from a struggle. But how do they get out of the struggle is to find a solution. And because of that experience of struggling, finding a solution, you grow. You get more knowledge, you get more experience, and then from this knowledge and experience, you share to the people, right? And that's how you start growing, expanding, right? So your experience is the knowledge that you share to people, and that's how you start your business, right? And that's how people will start liking you. That's how people will start trusting you. That's how people will start following you, right? Be the inspiration, right? Don't be the expiration. Don't be expired. You need to be the inspiration, right? It all starts from yourself. And how to do that? Switch your identity. Be thankful of that struggle that you're having, because that struggle will be your tool. That will be your opportunity, because this struggle came to you in your life so you can change that. Solve it. We have that capacity. But if you are in a scarcity mindset, if you are afraid, if you are fearful, all those illusion of fear will pull you down, will not solve the problem. We have the capacity to solve it, but it all starts within. If you see yourself as capable, which you are, then just do it. Don't listen to the mind. Don't listen to the fear. Don't let fear control you. You control your mind. You control your emotion. You control the struggle. You solve it. And then spread it out. Teach people. Help people. Alright? So be strong. I have a free community. It's in school. It's called Mindful Growth Maven. We teach you about this, about 80% mindset and 20% taking action. For your online business, how you incorporate your identity to your business, how to switch that so that your strategy will be flowing abundantly. Alright? If you want to join, it's free. DM me or go to my bio and see you inside. Alright? Peace.